Everyone, I'm Shirlz. Welcome to my Dazzled Nails channel, and today we're going to be creating what I call distressed metal. Something that I made by total mistake that looks amazing. I really think you're going to like it and enjoy it, and it's fast and easy. Okay, let's get to it. See you there. Hello everybody, and these are the distressed nails that I was talking about. They're really fun and amazing and quick to make. So to get started, we are going to use a white gel polish, and I will link it in the description. And so what we're going to do is we are going to cover this nail in the white gel polish. Just like this. Nice even coat all over the entire nail. Just like that. And we're gonna cook it for like 30 seconds. Okay. And I want to tell you that I came up with this by a total accident. I was going for one design, so I went to fix it, and it came out like that. And I have created several since, and they have been absolutely beautiful. So that's what we're going to run with. So next thing we're going to be using is the chrome metallic powder, and I will link it in the description. So what we're going to do is we're going to take our nail, and we are going to just apply right over the nail, just like this. Completely cover the nail, and it's that chrome like rose gold color. So here we go. We're going to just completely cover the nail, just like this. And now we're going to brush it off. Now this is where it gets a little different. So what we're going to do is we're going to take some alcohol and one of our sponges, and what we're going to do is we're going to completely squeeze it out, so you don't want too much on there. Just squeeze it, and what we're going to do is we're going to totally rub it, just like this. Just however you feel is, where you want it. Okay, dry it off. Now the next thing we're going to do is we are going to use the Burano 3-in-1. Link will be in the description. And what we're going to do is we're going to just put a few little drops wherever you want your little jewels to be. And what I'm using just so you can see, just little. Okay. So what we're going to do is we're going to take one and place it in the center wherever you want it, just like so. I'm going to take the second one and we're going to place it here, and we're going to take this third little rascal that keeps trying to run away, and we're going to place it here, just like that. Now we're going to nuke it for 60 seconds and it'll be ready. Now, like I said, these are really fun and they're easy to make, and they take no time at all, and they come out really, really great. Okay, now that we have our nail, look at this. It's absolutely stunning. And they're all different, and they're unique in their own way, and they're really fashionable. So I call it distressed nail. Now that's a dazzled nail. And I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and I will see you next time. Thank you.